I was sitting at the bar when this real fire hot Trey came over. Said he wanna get to know me. I said, boy, just bend me over. I was sitting at the bar when this real fire hot Trey came over. Said he wanna get to know me. I said, boy, just bend me over. Chain for your nigga, you work for your nigga, you drop for your nigga, you can rock for your nigga, you bustin' for your nigga, you rock for your nigga, you can wiggle for your nigga, you wobble for your nigga. That uptown nigga, yeah, that downtown nigga, that thing way bigger from that night board nigga, that 7-Wall nigga, that Cali yo nigga, that man know your nigga, yeah, that I'm a real nigga. You bustin' for your nigga, 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 bustin' for your nigga. I run 'em and fuck 'em, lick 'em and fuck 'em, then I cock 'em. I run 'em and fuck 'em, lick 'em and fuck 'em, then I cock 'em. I run 'em and fuck 'em, lick 'em and fuck 'em, then I cock 'em. I run 'em and fuck 'em, lick 'em and fuck 'em, then I cock 'em. I run 'em and fuck 'em and fuck 'em and fuck 'em. I run 'em and fuck 'em and fuck 'em and fuck 'em and fuck 'em. I run 'em and fuck 'em and fuck 'em and fuck 'em and fuck 'em. I run 'em and fuck 'em and fuck 'em, lick 'em and fuck 'em, then I cock 'em. Got the Cali, yalla yalla, got the Cali yo. Got the Cali, yalla yalla, got the Cali yo. Got the Cali, yalla yalla, yalla yalla yo. Bustin' for your nigga, bustin' for your nigga, bustin' for your nigga,
Ready.